Indigenous soul, original whole, seeing with sacred eyes, life's interconnection, speaking as blessing, divinity realized. In a sacred way, creative as play, offering our self-expressions, as gifts freely given, joyously living, abundance, the lesson. A new way to listen, oneness the mission, listening to creation. Animals, stones, trees, rivers, and bones, honoring all our relations. Releasing the lies of shallow eyes, beholding each other's beauty. Freed from the chatter, speaking what matters, heart, soul, community. No more separation, now co-creation, relating essence to essence. Original blessing, joy, peace, and sharing. A new earth expressing love's presence. Song from the sacred white buffalo, Lightning. Downloaded by Victoria Hanshin on November 19th, 2010.